Hello guys, I'm trying to present you the demo of Courier delivery app, right? So I'll be presenting this demo by creating a delivery task, from the customer app right here, okay? And how the driver gonna accept it and gonna deliver it, in the driver's app, which is right here, okay? So now I'll create a pickup this delivery task here, right? Okay. So the moment I click on it, okay, you see the pickup address is already selected. I can select a different stop, right? Let's say I select, I can search, let's say a nearby area, that takes it from the Google APIs. If I want to add multiple stops, I can still add a few more, right? Let's just select this one and I can put one more like this, right? And if I want to add more stops, then I can still do that, but at least 2 stops are required, one for the pickup and delivery. Now I had done, right, and I can see this map right here, and I can see the times for this delivery, approximate time. Now the customer is able to choose from the available vehicle types, right, like depending upon the size of the courier, right? And for now I'm using bike, right? And if I click on bike, I'll be able to see how this prices break down, okay? And from here I'll be able to select the payment mode. I have like cash payments or Paytm or some other card payments, but for now I'll be using the cash payment, right? Then if the customer wants to apply, they can still apply a promo code. They can find the promo code from the menu, or they can find by SMS or the emails. I mean, you can send that from the admin panel, okay? Now the customer can click on proceed to checkout, or customer can schedule this task, right? So if they click on this button right there, the system can ask for choose for a time at which they want to deliver, but for now I'll just do that right away because we want to do in real time, right? So I'm clicking on proceed to checkout. Then the customer will need to select this details like receiver name, mobile number, package type, and everything. So let's say in the receiver name I'm putting Hugo, right? And the phone number is I'm putting my number was like, let's say 94718706, right? And then I can choose a package type, right? Let's say so these are all the feeds optional, right? Or what you can do is you can also customize from the admin panel, okay? Like all this package size and package weight, all these options are customizable. On the right side, you can see the the price linked to these things. Let's say if you're like under 1 square feet, then there'll be no additional charge. If I'm making 1 to 2 square feet, it'll be plus 15. You can add these options according to your requirements, okay? In here I'm just selecting 7 to 5, so I mean I'll be paying additional 15 plus 25, that means 40 currency units for this order. So I don't deliver courier, I mean it's finding the courier. In here you see instantly the driver in here finds a request, and they got 30 seconds to accept, right? And if they accept it, right, then the customer is notified that the courier guy is on the way, right? And the customers in here will be able to see the details in here, right? Okay, and in here the driver is able to see the customer details, the addresses, task summary, which is added, and they can put some notes. I mean, in case of courier, I mean, what they can do is they can put some images. Let's say the moment they pick up the courier, they can take a picture just as a proof or something, right? And yeah, all these things. So now the driver has option to start this task. It means so they are starting it. The moment they hit it, right, the customer is notified that courier guys is arriving soon at your pickup point. So it means, I mean, we are just notifying you the driver started the process and they'll be arriving soon to pick up the stuff, right? And then in here, it is updated in real time. You see these things. And if the customer wants to see more details, the customer can click on it. And in here, the customer is able to see the driver details. They can call the driver. They can see all the summary and everything they added, and they can see the payment summary, on that how this bill is generated. Okay, and in here the 40 units additional amount which we previously. Now this driver can click on mark ride. This way they are notifying the customer they arrived at the location, right? And the customer is notified that the courier guys are at your pickup location, and then they can communicate. The customer can deliver the parcel or provide the parcel to the guy, right? And the moment they do it, this guy, the delivery guy, they can start the next stop, right? Let's say in here there's a next pickup point which the customer added in here, right? So now you see in here, they got this location for the second pickup point, okay? If this driver wants, they can click on this button right here, and then they can track in the Google Maps, Okay, we are giving the options of Apple Maps and the Google Maps in case they want to have a choice between these two, right? And they can start this task right from here, and the customer is notified that courier guy is arriving soon at your pickup point. So I mean, now in this point we are notifying about this pickup point in here, right? Okay, and when they arrive there, they can click on mark arrived, and then it means they're notifying they picked up at that point. Now the guy on that side, they can have the communication, and they can handle over the parcel. Okay, now when all the pickups has been done, now the courier can be delivered to this delivery location right here. Okay, for this this delivery guy, they can click on start delivery task. It means once they picked it up, I mean the driver is going to the delivery location. All right, and in here the customer is able to see both the pickup points have been completed and the delivery task is accepted, and driver is going to start it. So the moment I hit start, the customer is notified that the courier guy is on the way to the delivery and will be delivered soon. And in here the status is updated at started, okay, in real time. All right, and now once the customer reaches there, you can have a validation, like they want to get the signatures. The guy who will be receiving there, they can put some signatures as in, like they can get from the customer. They hit done, and if they want to put some images or something, they can still put, if they click on it, they can take a picture, or they can choose from the gallery if they want. And yeah, and after that they'll be able to complete this task, right? And if they complete it, then so in here they'll be able to see, if because it was a cash order, they'll be able to see these things right in here. They can click on collected if they collected this amount, and in here if the customer paid it, they can hit on done, and this is how the order is completed. Now after this task is completed, the customer has the option to rate the delivery or rate the driver, and they can put some thoughts, right? And they can put good job or something, they can do something like that, and then hit done, and that's how the task is completed, right? And they can go back and create a new task. All right, and now it's a multi-task app, right? The customer can create multi-task at the same time, and also the driver can accept the multi-task at the same time, right? It's not like so the customer can have multiple deliveries for different locations or something, with the multiple stops as well. All right, and then we got few more options, as in, like they can see the task history, they can see the payment and wallets, and some favorite drivers. Some other options are there, right? So if you want to see, if you want to get more details or something about this app, right, you can contact us. All right, thank you, bye bye.